Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you your AC system and what are the main control in your AC system and how it works. This will be very important to you because in your AC or in your car there is a possibility of consuming 20% of your fuel for your AC system. So you should know this basic control because you can go comfort, right, and also save fuel. So stay with me to see this basic AC control. Before that, I'll tell you very briefly what is AC and how it works. In a AC system, in simple way, what does is the heat inside the cabin will be removed by doing some work on it. Did you get it? There is a nature law, that means the heat is transferred from higher temperature to the lower temperature values. So in a AC system, in your cabin the heat should be reduced. So to do that we have to introduce third party cooling system. That means the refrigerant which is cooler. The refrigerant, it is cool liquid and gas, so that refrigerant has a lower temperature and the cabin has high temperature. The high temperature will be transferred to the AC coil, that means the evaporator coil, and take this higher temperature to the outside. We can reduce heat, not only reduce but also we can increase as well. And the other hand, we can control the moisture level of the cabin as well. So there are mainly two control available in the AC system. Number one is fan control, number two is temperature control. When it comes to the fan control and the temperature control will be done automatically in automatic AC system or climate control AC system. In manual you have to control the fan speed and also the temperature. So I'll show you my car's AC system and let's continue from that. So in a basic AC system, as I mentioned, there is a control for fan control here and the other one for temperature control. I will show you first the auto system and then comes to the manual system. In auto system you only need to set your temperature. For good fuel saving you can put it 25 degree or 26 degree. So after that we do not need do anything. You can put it to the auto mode. It will change the temperature of the cabin to 25 degree. So after that I come to this switch, it is mode. That means there are several mode. The air is flowing inside the cabin. So you can see it is here now. Air is flow directly to my face. You can change it to your legs or only legs. Also you can put to the legs and towards your dashboard, and also the other one is here. So the other side you can see auto AC. This is for defogger for front windshield. This is defogger for rear windshield. In rear window you can see some heated elements also used to reduce the moisture or condensed water drops on the windscreen. So you can see it is now I put it to the auto, now it is working. So you can see this is AC on off switch, and also you can see it's here it is a pollen remover. This is used to clear the cabin inside. That means if there are some pollen or dust inside, you can clean from this switch. If I press this, it will work around 2 minutes and absorb all the pollen from the cabin and put it in the filter. And the other very interesting one is the nano AC. This nano AC is very useful if you are traveling very long trips. You can see in normal AC it is very dry. That means the moisture inside the cabin also removed from the AC. So water vapor will be removed. So due to this nano E, you can have comfort right inside by adding some ionized particles. That means hydrogen plus and OH minus will give some water layer on your skin to have some wet comfort. It is very good. And also this can kill microorganisms. That means some bad bacteria, virus can be killed from this nano AC. It is something new and some newer vehicles available. So there are some other vehicles, there may be 2 zones control, 3 zones control, that means control of the passenger AC and also drive AC, and the rear AC can be controlled separately. When it comes to the manual, these can be controlled as manual. So if you need to change your fan speed, you can change it as a manual way, you from a knob. And also temperature, you might not have a display, you have to turn a knob. That's only the difference. But if you need good fuel economy, you can put always the fan speed to the lower value. I think you may have gotten very good knowledge about your AC system. If you have any other question, please mention in your comment section. I will try to answer.